Hello travelers, are you planning a trip to Canada and want to wake up surrounded by the world's most famous mountains without having to spend a fortune at the Fairmont? Today I'm going to show you the Lake Louise Inn. It's located within the village of Lake Louise, has a complete structure for families, and is the perfect starting point to explore the most beautiful lakes of your life. Shall we check it out? But first, leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and to make your reservation safely, I've left the link in the video description and also here in the QR code that appears on your screen. The hotel is located at 210 Village Road, right in the center of the village of Lake Louise. The location is strategic. You are less than 10 minutes by car from the famous Lake Louise and very close to the entrance to Moraine Lake. In addition, you can walk to the small commercial center of the village, where there is a market, bakery, and small shops. The Lake Louise Inn is not just one building, it's a complex with several buildings that resemble mountain chalets. What I like most here is the variety. Standard rooms, simple and functional for those who will spend the day on the trails. Suites with kitchen, essential for those who want to save money in Canada, allowing you to prepare your own meals. Apartments with fireplace, perfect for winter, bringing that cozy atmosphere after a day of skiing. After a day hiking the trails or skiing at Lake Louise Ski Resort, the best part is the leisure area. They have a huge heated indoor pool and jacuzzis, hot tubs, that are wonderful, especially when it's snowing outside. It's the perfect place to relax your muscles and warm up your body. Inside the hotel, you have great options without having to go out in the cold. Legends Restaurant serves a hearty breakfast and classic dishes for dinner. Timberwolf Pizza and Pasta, a more casual and delicious option for the evening. Bill Pato's Pub, a very typical mountain atmosphere to have a Canadian craft beer. Want to know if it's worth staying here? It's definitely worth it if your goal is location and convenience. Hotels by the lake cost 3 or 4 times more. Here you have the comfort of a good hotel, free parking, which is rare and valuable in the region, and a structure that caters very well to everyone from couples to larger groups. It's the ideal base for exploring Banff National Park. My final tip, if you come in the summer, book well in advance as the village fills up. And if you can, get a room with a mountain view. The dawn light hitting the snowy peaks is unforgettable. So, did you like this tip? Then you know what to do. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and click the link in the description to check prices and make your reservation safely. Until the next destination.